and like you're doing all these fitness tips and stuff. So we didn't want to make it like an interview. So we have a few questions.
Yeah.
But it's going to be very like, you have to be very casual about it and just have fun with us.
Of course.
Okay.
That's why.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, yeah. So let's start.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Piyush, start.
Okay, I'll start. Okay. So this first question I ask, actually everyone I ask this question because it's very, I think it's very close to heart.
Yeah.
So you have to tell me that your one moment where you realized that you can act and no one can stop you.
Yeah, like
And
you felt
that confidence in you that you will take it as a career now. You will not stop. So that's a calling from inner calling. You can say, tell us that exact moment when you felt that.
So it was when I was in school, and I was 15 years old. I'd already shot my first film.
So young.
I already shot my first film by then. I was in my 10th grade. I remember going to school in like my going for dubbing in my school uniform. So so that phase was still like a discovery period where I was like, okay, let me give this a shot. And of course, I always wanted to be an actress, but because I'm not from the film industry, I don't have anyone else in my family from the film industry. I didn't know how it's going to go. But then there was this one opportunity that came my way while I was giving my 10th prelim examination. And that was like the first ad commercial that I got.
Just 1 second. I think network.
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah. It's better.
There was this ad commercial I had to do in the midst of my prelim examinations, 10th. And I worked 3 days non-stop, like day, night, because in the day I was shooting. I've literally like gone to the parlor in the morning, then gone to shoot, then next day in the night studied, gone and given an exam, the prelim examination. So I've done this for 3 days.
The 10th boards.
The 10th exam.
Oh God.
So that's when I realized that this is something I want to do for my life, because the way I worked, like I think my I'm sure you guys have worked with Kiran Devgan sir at some point. So he was the cinematographer for that, and he was my uncle actually. He was my friend's father. I mean, he's my friend's father. So so we were on set, and he was like just giving me coffee. He was like, because I was a kid basically on location, and I was being like pampered and babied. Then because I said I have never seen myself go so
out there,
so all out for anything. So it was when I was doing this did I realize that okay, this is what I really want to do, and this is what my calling is.
Awesome. So that was like pretty early on.
Yeah.
I was so clear back then.
I mean, I feel like I think I had immense clarity as a kid. I think abhi as हम लोग बड़े होते हैं, I think तभी ज़्यादा confused हो जाते हैं. But otherwise, as a kid, there's immense clarity.
Because we don't have any like complicated thoughts coming in. They're like clear कि नहीं ये अच्छा लग रहा है. So let's do this.
Yeah.
That
absolutely.
And your school friends must be like, yeah, she's shooting a film, and late night she's studying and giving exams.
So did you pass that?
Did you? How?
Those 3 exams that you know.
Clearly, that's why.
I did not pass those exams. But they let me give my board exams, so thankfully I made it for that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Super, yeah.
Awesome.
But that happened with me also recently in college, not during school.
Yeah, school.
So it was like my last 15th, like the graduation wala end exams. And Tadhi I did this show on Star Plus, Dance Plus. So I left those exams for this, obviously. And then yet it's pending. I haven't finished it.
See, I feel like education is extremely important. I am someone who is really for education. Yeah. But in certain professions, when they come to you at a certain age, if you do not embrace them at that age, especially creative fields, because I feel like the younger you are, right, sometimes you're just open to thought and you're open to new things. You imbibe a lot faster. You're not you don't already have a preconceived idea about things, so you're a lot more responsive. As you
Yeah.
start growing older, I feel it's, and in my opinion, it gets more difficult to imbibe into a new workspace. So I feel like if you
Right.
get the opportunity and if you are inclined,
You should.
you know, kids should take it seriously.
Yeah.
Parents should encourage it. And in our case, we had folks who were like, in your case,
Yes.
your dad is, you know, who's already from the film industry.
Yeah.
And for
Yeah.
people who don't know, he is my director.
Yeah.
Of entertainment, and really, really special.
The
person in
dog
my life.
Yeah.
film.
My dog film, yeah. And also, like, I think I have this really, really amazing bond with your father, and he's someone I completely adore.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think parents like ours are very, very, we're lucky
We're
to have them.
blessed. We're blessed.
We're
Yeah.
blessed.
Yeah, that's so true.
Nice.
Okay, so basically it was school days.
Yeah.
Yeah,
School
it was my
days.
school days.
It was school days.
Superb.
Awesome. Okay.
Superb.
Okay. So the next one is,
Go for it.
do you
Go for
have any particular Gana, any particular song that reminds you of a relationship? This relationship can be any relationship.
Or memories also.
Or a memory or anything.
Yeah.
A Gana.
Song.
Yeah.
It's like that
Tera
the
Yaar
music.
Hu Main.
Tera Yaar Hu Main.
That is like my
Sonu
all out favorite. It takes me like, it, of course, for me, it's like all my friends, my close friends. That's a song that actually makes me emotional.
But you have a lot of friends. I keep on seeing your stories and everything. You're always chilling with them.
I
Whenever you
have a
that
very
little
small
time.
crew. Yeah, I have a very small crew, but I think we're all हम लोग अपने ही धुन में रहते हैं. We're quite crazy. So yeah, it's not like I don't have 10,000 friends, but जितने भी हैं, it's like they're hardcore.
Yeah. So Tera Yaar Hu
Tera
Main.
Yaar Hu Main. And any song that reminds you of a like situation, or like somewhere you are driving on a highway and you remember that I went through this path, and it reminds you of a music. You know, it's happened sometime.
You relate to
You
it.
relate to it.
Yeah, I think Duriyan.
Yeah. See?
That is the song which takes me back into like, so when I was when that song was released, I think I was shooting in the Ghats. I was shooting like somewhere
Oh, yeah.
on a mountain top. So I used to
Yeah.
be hearing that song while going boom, and I have like the vertigo kind of issue where I have to.
I know.
So for me, every time I hear that song, it just takes me back into that shooting location which I had to reach in the morning.
It's stuck here.
Duriyan was not a relationship; it was a location. Reaching that
It was a ghat.
Super.
But nice. So you like mostly like subtle kind of music.
Melody.
Yeah.
Melody.
Yeah. Very like chill and go with the flow. Long drive, wala vibe.
Wow, absolutely. And the weather is so good now. It's full that
It is.
weather only.
Chai.
Chai, pakode. Your dad.
You
I'm
are
missing
not
your dad
having
a lot.
pakode.
I'm missing your dad a lot. He
Food,
would totally want to give company.
Yeah, he would. He wants to give a company to everybody, I think.
Yeah, but
He's
things like
exactly
chai and pakode, I wouldn't blame him. It's very,
Yeah.
very, very tempting.
But he's losing a lot of weight this lockdown.
I'm impressed. I'm happy he's doing that.
Announcement हो गया सबके सामने.
Yeah, this is you officially announced that he's
Legit.
on a diet. Now he has to keep up with it.
He has to. Now that Tamanna knows about it, he has to.
Yeah.
How long you stayed? How long you stayed at home? 75 days back to back?
It's been 3 months, right? So yeah, I did get out to like get stuff like basic
Groceries.
essentials.
Hmm.
And I would in my building there is also my gym area, so I work out in my building. So
हमारा तो बंद हो गया.
Oh.
yeah, I mean, so I can't access the gym in my building, but there is an area which is
Area.
News.
Yeah.
Okay.
I made that space into a gym because then that's practical. Because घर में initially I was training at home, but I was just finding it hard to breathe inside my room while
Yeah, ventilation is important.
Yeah.
is also important, and it's a problem inside. And हम लोग वैसे भी पूरा दिन घर में रहते तो anyway breathing becomes a
कुछ
thing.
तो करे बाहर जाके.
Yeah, so I mean
Totally.
honestly that's just an empty space, so I was utilizing that. And the problem was I landed up in this lockdown without any weights, without anything. I didn't even have
Same.
like zero.
Did you arrange for it?
So I took it from my building ka gym only. I had to literally borrow it because I didn't have any of my own. So.
But
Yeah.
fitness is very important.
Yes.
No, forget that. Like the days I wouldn't work out, right, I would have a headache. So it was more like I had
Like
to
a
train
break.
because- yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
Yeah.
I think for us, we're just very used to working out. It's not about fitness. It's not about the aesthetic anymore. It's not like कि अपने को अच्छा दिखने का, अपने को पतला होना है. That's not the situation. I mean, but it's more. I mean, of course, that is one aspect to it. But more than
Yeah.
that, you just want to feel good.
Do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
It feels good. Yeah. You feel
Yeah.
satisfied at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, and हम लोग को मतलब सेट पे इतनी मरने की आदत है. We are like unless we don't feel like किसी ने मारा है ना पकड़ के. तब तक
Too much aram is
Too much,
happening.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I am feeling like I haven't taken. I think the last time I was like this was maybe when I was in school, like 8th standard, summer vacation.
But yeah,
But seriously.
whenever we used to message you also or anything, I'm traveling here, I'm doing this. You were so busy
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah.
It must be like,
But for me, because most of my work was in the south, for me, the past 15 years has been travel. Like,
yeah,
so. But yeah, I mean, I enjoy that. So.
awesome.
Okay.
Next time.
So I'll ask you the next question. You have done so many dance sequences in your life. You have done so many songs, and you have done Indian, you have done Western, so all kinds of. So, which was that you found the most, difficult, or maybe that you got, it's not happening. It's difficult sequence, and it
It took time.
it took time, and
Like you being a good dancer and everything, still it was like tough.
yeah.
So there were two major points where that happened. One was, of course, the song I did with Prabhu sir, where we shot it in 3 different languages, and that had a mixture of different dance forms. And it's a filmy number, but it still has different dance forms being used in it. And I'm supposed to be possessed. So, but I'm like still a like very like I'm a heroine, like a heroine's ghost has possessed me. So it has to be like great dancing basically.
Okay.
So of course that was an experience that really was challenging, and I spent 15 days rehearsing for it, and Prabhu sir was there to help me, learn my moves, and I mean I really am like I'm going to be like indebted to him for life, because he really put in so much of his time, which I did not expect him to put. And he also had 3 of his other teachers who constantly were with me, and everyone was teaching me a different step. So whoever knew whichever step better than the other, that person.
That was the person.
Yeah. So that song was something that I really worked for, and it really made me confident as a dancer. Like I enjoyed, but that song brought me confidence.
It helps you.
It helped me, and it also helped me learn new styles, because I wasn't exposed to that. I wasn't exposed to hip hop. I wasn't exposed to that kind of body language. So that helped me move out of a certain body language that I had prior to that. But what really scares me, and it scares me even till today, and I recently had to attempt it in a film called Saira, was classical dance, because I'm not a trained dancer. So whenever I have to attempt anything that's classical, I get really scared. And
all the mudras and
we to can't think about it. We both.
I get damn scared. I actually get very scared, and I actually panic. And I remember one of the days I was in set of Saira, and I could not get a dance move, and I literally started crying. And my director was like, "Why are you crying?" Because he was like,
it happened.
Laughing. He was laughing. I think he was laughing. He was like, "Isko kya ho gaya? Is he ro kyun rahi hai?" But it's just that you are so like, you just don't want to mess it up, because
you
want
to get it right.
Because if you are playing a classical dancer, you cannot not get a move right, because it's like there's people who spend 18 years of their life mastering that art and
doing that thing.
dance form. And then you come and do something silly and you ruin it. It's it's heart wrenching.
Right.
Yeah.
So
but that's there that you like whatever we've seen, or when you do an Indian style, like I'm not even saying proper classical, or if you do like a Western, Indo-Westernish, that difference really shows on you.
Yeah.
Like
the switch.
The switch is very great.
That's something that as an artist, I think in today's time and age, whether you dance or you perform or whatever you end up doing, I think the idea is to transform into that. And in fact, what we were trying to do in our training was to bring about a change in body language. I think that's something
to upgrade a little bit,
reinventing. And I think that's what I hope I'm going to do with you guys.
We are
yes.
so wanting to.
Reinvention 2020.
Yes. 2020 में होगा कि नहीं वो नहीं पता है but
होगा. It's just positive.
Let's
Okay,
stay
okay.
positive.
नहीं हुआ थोड़ा टाइम के बाद तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू कर देंगे अभी.
ready.
Live देखेंगे हम लोग.
We are doing workouts online only. Our trainer
Yeah.
comes online and we are
And
doing
he's like,
like
come
that
on,
only.
don't stop. Don't stop. It's so weird. Such a small screen. And you're like, okay, हाँ.
Yeah, you're like, that's
Is my
what.
posture right?
But it's actually opened that idea that you can do stuff online, which we couldn't have ever imagined. Like none of us could have thought of the workout online.
Yeah.
सब कर रहे हैं.
हाँ. क्योंकि कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते.
No other option.
No other option.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, next one. So your best feature, now that you're so beautiful, Tamanna, and लड़के मरते हैं, like I'm just because this guy also he doesn't say it out loud, but on this live session I'm gonna say this, or you only say it, how much you
No,
have
but
love.
He's always told me. He's always
yeah.
honest
मैं
about
बस
it.
hype कर रही थी.
I've been liking every post.
Yeah,
I've been
commenting.
I feel like I have to confess. That's happening all the time.
Okay, so now that इतना हमने अभी तारीफ किया है
Yeah.
आपका, what do you think is your best feature? Like
Yeah.
it can be your face, anything, your body language, anything.
You mean physically, right? You want me to specify something?
Physically. अंदर से तो you are goddess, but बाहर से also.
अंदर से हम तो सभी देवियां हैं. हम
देवियाँ. Okay, go.
Okay.
We are not forcing you. Huh?
Eyes, no, maybe
Eyes?
lips. Eyes are like sub because like eyes are still. I think
Eyes.
Lips.
Pout.
Okay, so lips. Okay. Hashtag hot.
Won't. It's sounding so.
How are you going to
Won't.
write it in English?
Hashtag
Is what I
won't.
want to know. Because it's gonna look like
Autocorrect is gonna help me in this.
it's gonna be like hot, but like as if you spelt it wrong.
Yeah. But ठीक है ना?
Haunt.
Hot.
Okay, so it's the lip.
Lips, yeah.
Awesome. You have anything to say?
Yeah.
What next question?
Next question.
Next
Yeah. Yes, I will say. I thought she's saying you have anything to say on, compliment her. Yeah, I always
That's what I
do.
was actually saying.
Yeah.
Okay, next question.
Yeah. So, it's a very simple question. One of our videos,